show you a quick and easy way to part your hair. Sometimes getting that really straight part is challenging, and it doesn't have to be. Your two fingers are like magic. They know how to find each other. So if you take your two fingers and you kind of, let's say you wanted to do like a little half up or a little top knot or something. If you take your two fingers and you place them at equal sides on your head, like I'm going, this is called my parietal ridge, but it's kind of like that curve that goes up to the top, you know, from the side of your head to the top of your head. If I just take my fingers and I run them along that, they like magic. Magic, magic, magic. Find each other in the back, and then you've got this like really nice part line. Ignore all my new growth because I haven't colored my hair in a while. But that's a super easy way to part your hair. You can also do it with a comb. If you're trying to like create something super straight, and you take your finger and place it at the top of your comb, and then take your other finger and place it wherever you want the part to end. Once again, your fingers just like magic, they find each other. And then you've got like, look, this perfect part. Once again, you're gonna see all my new growth. But that's a super easy way to get like a really straight part if you're trying to do, you know, a more polished look, or trying to braid your hair or something like that. So give it a shot. Either use your comb or use your magic fingers. Talk to you soon. Enjoy.